going? And welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make pancakes for my kids. Lando requests pancakes all the time, so I thought I'd show you how. So let's go and I'll show you how. Won't we, Lando?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put the ingredients in my bowl, and I have an assistant here, my son Lando. Now, the ingredients are so simple and easy, and you can have your children in the kitchen to help you. So, I'm going to start with 2 cups of self-rising flour. Lando, can you put the 2 cups of self-rising in the bowl?
Okay.
1, 2. Now we put 1 egg in there.
Okay.
Crack it open.
Whoa.
Minus the eggshell. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Put the sugar in there, Lando. Yep, that's it. We need 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. So that's one.
Soda.
Bicarb soda.
Bicarb soda. I'll do it.
Okay. Yep. Quarter in. Yep. And then we need 1 cup of milk. I'll pour the milk and Lando can pour it in the bowl.
Well,
There we go. Pour it in. Very good, Lando. Now give it a stir with
I'll do it.
Okay.
It's like to look like Play-Doh. And I can see the yolk.
Yeah. Okay, we'll give it a little bit of a mix together, and then we're going to let it stand for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Until it looks like it looks like Play-Doh.
Yeah, we're just going to add another 1/2 cup of milk in. Okay, add it in there, Lando. Whoops.
Oops.
Okay, and mix it together.
Okay. I'll clean this up. Okay.
Okay. And this is what the mixture looks like.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, my batter has been resting for 20 minutes. I can see the smoke starting to come off the skillet, so it's ready to pour some pancake batter onto the skillet. And I'm going to make small ones for my kids. So I'm just going to pour it on, just small amounts, and it's going to start bubbling. Once they start bubbling, you'll know it's time to turn them over. There you go. Okay, let me make the next lot, and then it's time to taste. Now it's time to taste. Lando's having mayonnaise on his pancake, and I'm having maple syrup on mine. So let me just pour some on there. Then I have my baby in the background here. So let's taste, Lando. Pick it up and taste it. Yum. How's yours?
Good.
So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers! Yum.
Now